How do you are treated in the camp?
I get adequate food
Good.
and adequate clothing
Mm-hmm.
and medical care when I require it.
How do you think about what's so-called definite law? Do you think that's present about it?
Well, I don't know what is happening, but whatever the position of my government is, I support it fully.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the position of my government is, I believe in it. Yes, sir. I am a member of that government.